We're mid-surgery. Dr. Petrus is making the tiny little receptor sites for the new hairs to go. Everything's been awesome so far. I thought it was going to be painful. I haven't felt hardly any pain at all. Even the numbing shots were nothing. So it's the morning after my procedure. I had my hair transplant yesterday, and last night I slept with this beautiful headband on. Just for precautionary, it prevents any swelling from like this top area of my head where all the new hairs were placed yesterday. It prevents any swelling from up there from running down into my face when I'm sleeping. So basically today I just have a bunch of tiny little scabs. Just a few scabs on the top of my head. I'm going to spray this area with sterile water or saline solution with a little spray bottle that they gave me yesterday. And the scabs will flake off here, and on day 2 I'm just going to take it easy. I'm not going to work out or run or do any crazy heavy lifting or anything, just kind of hang around the house and spray this area throughout the day and wear my sweatband, and I'm going back to work tomorrow, so it should be pretty cool.